All right, let's go. Wake the fuck up. It's been like 2 or 3 days since I did C++. This is bad. I need to get back in the habit. Excuse me. Okay, 2 things. Here's the strat. Before I would do 3 hours. You know, did I just do half an hour a day? Half an hour is fine. I think that's the strat. Fuck it. Not an hour. Oh, we could do an hour. 1 hour a day? That's it? I'm going to do 30 and then feel if that's enough. And I'm going to do 15 minutes. 15 minutes of new material and then 15 minutes of continuing a quiz. And over days, I'll complete the quizzes. Okay. And I'll ask for more in-depth quizzes. I'll do them over time. And then I can think about previous problems and whatnot. Yeah, this is the strat. Okay, here we go. 15-minute timer. I'm jamming to this Chinese anime music. It's fantastic. How loud will this get? Hello? Oh. Perfect. Okay, good. I guess I should have done that, but okay. Okay, lambdas. Haven't touched this at all. Last time was 20.5 was ellipses, right? Oh, and by the way, I'm doing Vim, which is interesting. So I have to go in insert mode. I can press escape to get out of it, and I can do a bunch of stuff, but I need to learn this. So it's more efficient. But we go I to go to insert mode, and then I can make my program. I can't use control home to go to the top, but I can press escape and then press GG to go to the top, I guess. And I can do end and control end. So I have to go out of, I can use the same hotkey, I just have to go to main mode. So there's I, this is typing stuff, and the spaces are interesting. Oh, I can also do undo. Oh wait, I can press escape and just spam U to undo stuff, which is easier. I think it's a better version of undo too. I can go up and down and whatever, but we could do... Interesting. What if I do... Some of this is going to be learning Vim too. Excuse me. If I do change in between... this... I guess I can't do that. Hold on. I don't know. I'm not sure. I gotta learn. But okay. So I'm gonna make this like normal. Let's get an ellipse going. So we'll just call my ellipse, and we're gonna pass it. Ah, fuck ellipses, bro. They're trash. I have to press escape, and then I can do. Fuck, I don't know how to select all of everything. I have to go to the start and then select all the way to the end, which is this. And then it's not Shift G. It's Visual and then Shift G or Visual Control G. No, it is Big G. Okay, so it's here. Oh, what the fuck happened? Undo. So it's GG to get up here. It's Visual and then Big G, and that selects everything. Fuck. And then, oh, and then delete is X. So it's GG, V, Big G. Oh, good. And it fucking crashes. Oh, wait, no, it didn't. It fucking minimized. I'm retarded. Okay. GG. Oh, Visual. Big G. X to delete. There we go. To save. Colon W? Don't know why. Okay, fuck that. I don't care about ellipses. Alright, let's go. New shit. Lambdas, anonymous functions, meaning functions without names. Alright, finally we're back. Okay. Introduction to standard library algorithms. Okay, let's see what we have. So we have a main function. We have an array known at created at compile time of an array of 4 standard string views. Apple, banana, walnut, lemon. So these are C-style strings stored somewhere in memory, and we have references to them, treating them as L values because that's kind of what standard string views are. And because it's a template function, string view, class template, so it can handle a bunch of different types, really any type. And then we have some auto found. So this might be a standard Oh, is this probably returns the iterator to whatever element it is. So it's find if, and we pass it the entire array. So we pass it the begin and the end, an iterator that points basically a pointer to the first element and another pointer to the last element. That shows, hey, piece of memory, or hey program, go from here to here. This is where we're searching. Run this algorithm, basically just incrementing from begin until it equals the end. And once it equals the end, it will return false or true depending on if it found it. And if it found it, it probably returned early right there. But okay. So, and the function that must return true for us to say found is contains nut. So we're going to call contains nut on the thing. So on the string, which is in this case, it's calling it on begin and end using contains nut. Contains nut takes a string, so it's passing the start and end of this string view array passed into contains nut, and this will return find nut from this. And it returns Gotcha. So it calls this on each element from begin to end in the string, in array here. Or rather, it calls it on each element. So first it passes this guy, and it looks, hold on. Yeah, so somehow it searches and finds the position, and if it doesn't find a position, it returns null position, so there are no position, something like that. I'll say null because that makes more sense. And it returns not equals. So it returns if it is not found, therefore it is found. So it returns whether it is found. And if it's true, then this guy is true. And this should just be a bool. Why it's not a bool? Oh, I guess find if isn't the function. This is the one. This returns the bool. And find if probably returns, what is it, an optional? Or I guess it's an iterator because it's storing the iterator to where we found it. Okay, that makes sense. And I wonder if this is just pointing to the element. Is it pointing to the individual element in it? I guess so, huh? It runs it on that string and returns whether it was found. And then this points to that element, so if it wasn't found, it's pointing to the end instead. Otherwise, it's found, okay? Found walnut. How could we improve this? It doesn't seem bad off the rip. Is there a better way compared to... I have a pimple on my nipple. Just on the very top. I mean, it seems like it's, well, a string view, so it's fine. It's easy to pass. I mean, we could make it inline. It requires that we pass it a function pointer, and why is that an issue here? Oh, so in using find if, we have to pass in a function so that it has a condition to check whether something was found. So it'll search every element in the array, which in this case is 4 separate string views, and it must return true there in order to actually be found. Okay. Here. Okay. So, okay. Instead of being able to just say a condition, but we would have to write like the function logic here. I mean, unless we could put the condition here, or the value to return. I mean, it is a condition. This is not equal the relational. We have to put some sort of relational shit. Oh, and the point is, we have to define the function and make it accessible here. Why does it need to be in global scope? I don't think so. I mean, it can be put. Well, the issue is that then you have to have a fucking namespace to hold all your functions that are just used for when you want to find stuff. And maybe you put them in one that's relevant. So like if you had, I don't know, let's say you have a function, your character is a shooter game, and you have, your character is going to search through his gun's magazine, unloading rounds, and he's going to check, or maybe that's what it is. It's like a Glock mag, where you look on the back, and you can see the brass on the back of the rounds. And you want the player to check to see the first extra damage round or an armor piercing round, some specific one, not a certain tip, but if you could tell from the back, like you mark your rounds, and let's just say the game has rounds where they're the standard rarity colors, so like gray, green, blue, that kind of shit. And you want to search to see the highest damage round, or find the first one of the highest damage, find the first legendary round or something. And so you call that, but now you need a function to check if that element is the highest round. That way you can return which element in the magazine, the array magazine, has the highest damage. So you now have to have a namespace, or in your bullet logic, you have a function in there. And that's now an identifier being used up. And maybe it's not bad because it's only used in that namespace, so it's fine. But maybe it would be cool if if you had an unnamed one, how would you even call it? Is there a way? I'm not sure. An unnamed function. The point is that it doesn't have an identifier, but somehow, is it in the function you specify where it's going to be used? Because otherwise, wouldn't calling it... I mean, I guess the point is you're just making it so it can only be used in one thing. So maybe you have a function that doesn't have a name that can be called with a specific identifier, but only from a specific function. Seems like it has some extra specifiers. That way I could have, a bunch of stuff. You could have a function that's in global scope. It doesn't even have to be in a namespace now. It can be in global scope over here and be called within this function that finds a bullet on the ground, and it could be the same name over here in global scope still, not even a namespace, and it could be called to find a bullet in the mag. Okay. That way, if they do different things, the identifiers aren't clogging them up, because they're not going to do the same thing. And it might not be overloadable, so we might not, we might not have function overload. So we have one version that we call with these arguments, one we call with these arguments. But maybe you do. Maybe you pass a body to one to find the bullet in the body, the first legendary one. One you pass the floor or the area you're searching. One you pass the mag, whatever. But still. Doesn't seem mega relevant, but I mean, it could be cool, I think. This pimple on the inside of my nose will not go away. It's got a function that's only going to be used once, has a name, and that's in global scope, so it will clog others. And it's sure it's almost easier to discern what it does for one. Yeah, because if we have here, it would make more sense if we could just somehow put that logic here, or have it immediately tied to it somehow. Anonymous functions? Excuse me. A lambda expression, a lambda, our closure, to define in another function. Define an anonymous function inside another function. So I wonder how you call it. Or do you literally do comma and then on another line have the lambda go right here? Is that what it looks like? It is! Oh shit. Define a function inside another function. Oh, okay. Oops, I fucking started music. Oh shit, this is good. Yo, give me the... No, not most important, but it is listenable. Okay, let's do it again. Quiz now. I'm going to continue the quiz from where we left off. God damn it, I bet you I did it without being logged in. Fuck. Yeah, I did. Excuse me, sorry. Do I have search? No? Oh, where was I at? Wait. Huh? See, these are the things. Trying to figure out logic in Unreal. Oh. Oh. Bro, where is it at? Hello? GG, I guess. My search history. Okay. Let's do... Yeah, sure. Okay. I'm going to leave this here because I feel like it thinks better if I stay on it. Oh, nice. A lot of questions. This is good. How did I ask this? Nice. What the fuck? What the? I hope that's not going to be the actual... These better not be the real questions. Wait, really? It can do this? What happens if I click it? Oh, crap. It actually does. Wow. That is cool. Okay. Please number the. Well, okay. Okay. Try this. This is better. This is what I was looking for. Good. Uh-oh. Yep. Oh my god. This. I can't. It got bad. It ran out. It ran out of daily searches, didn't it? It didn't. How is this the first? I can't. This is shit. I'm done with Perplexity. It's terrible. And sure, maybe there's a way of me doing prompt engineering to ask it everything that I need to and ask it exactly in the proper way to make it, bro. It should just be able to intuit this from what I'm asking and not make me ask again and again and again. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh my fucking god, dude. One shot, go. Oh, bro, I don't need this fucking gay stuff. This is probably Model 4 or something, huh? 4.0? Okay, I don't need this all this reassurance. I just need the stuff, please. This is already better than Perplexity. Alright, I need to improve or do something better in life right now. I can't just keep wasting the time. Well, actually, let's do this. Instead of physical right now, we could do... Let's see how far we are. Can I use... Oh, nice, and I could just do that too. Is that it? Bro, not through... Bro, are you kidding me? I can't continue the prompt? Oh my fucking... Okay. Fine, I'll sign in. Well, it's fine. Hold. Oh, it couldn't. It just. Did the clipboard run out of room? Oh, wait. We're not that far. Oh, we are in chapter 20. God damn it. I just. Okay. What am I doing? I should have just gone. Oh my. Thank you. I don't want to have to specifically specify this. Just give me whatever it is. Even if it's just custom other way, just give me that. Don't fucking 15 questions before. Thank you. Too many what is, but okay. Okay. All right, let's go. I don't have much time. I need a new program, I think. Excuse me. How is it that big? Good. Okay, fuck it. I'll just ask. I have to just do the answers. Okay. Oh my god. Do I? Is that a bug? It's a bug. At. Okay. I mean, I guess I'll just respond to this all at once, maybe. Actually, maybe it is better to just do these. Nah, fuck it. I feel like this is the best way. Okay. Statements are individual instruction. I'll just write it. Oh. Oh. Well. What do we call them? Complex statements? Oh my. Okay. That's it for now. No time at all, but is what it is. Okay. I guess that's all. I gotta figure out a better strat. That sucks.